Ever wonder how the greats achieve their success? Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill offers some insight. Here are 10 takeaways from this inspiring read. 1. Desire. Success begins with a burning desire. Take Thomas Edison. His passion to invent the light bulb illuminated his path to success. 2. Faith. Belief in yourself is key. Walt Disney's faith in his vision gave us Disneyland. 3. Autosuggestion. Positive affirmations can program your mind for achievement. Media mogul Oprah Winfrey is a testament to this. 4. Specialized knowledge. Expertise can set you apart. Bill Gates, anyone? 5. Imagination. Visualize your dreams into reality. J.K. Rowling did, giving us the magical world of Harry Potter. 6. Organized planning. Clear goals and action plans are vital. Just ask Elon Musk. 7. Decision. Quick, decisive choices can pave the way to success. Mark Zuckerberg's decision to focus on Facebook was surely fruitful. 8. Persistence. Never give up. Colonel Sanders faced over 1,000 rejections before KFC soared. 9. The mastermind. Surround yourself with like-minded individuals. Warren Buffett credits his success to his partnership with Charlie Munger. 10. The subconscious mind. Harness its power for breakthroughs. Steve Jobs tapped into his creativity through meditation. Just 10 ideas from Think and Grow Rich. Apply them, and success could be yours for the taking.